What is a content manager? A content manager is an individual who manages a website that likely is updated with content many times a day. Though the position is similar to that of a webmaster and the two are sometimes used interchangeably, a content manager is usually different in some ways as well. Whereas a webmaster may need to be well skilled in HTML and other advanced web applications, the content manager may need to only know some basic HTML to perform job duties. The fact that a manager may not need to know as much HTML code as a webmaster does not mean the position is any less skilled, however. It simply means the skills are in other areas. For example, a content manager looking after a news site may need to have a keen sense of what will be major news and what will not. Those types of judgments often will help determine story placement. Furthermore, a content manager is often responsible for making sure all content on the website is up to date. This involves a periodic review, if not a constant review, of different materials on the site. Due to the nature of some websites, this may be a nearly constant review of the material. In other cases, the review of the material may be spaced apart over greater time frames. To help the manager focus on grammar and other issues relating to content, there will often be a content management system. This system will automatically put stories and other features on the website, meaning the manager only has to worry about the material itself. Leaving the design to the content management system, which will likely be based on a pre-designed template, can save a lot of money and give the opportunity for expertise to be put in other areas. However, these systems often give up the chance to make major changes or provide a great deal of uniqueness to the site. Depending on the type of website, more than one content manager may be needed to keep the site up properly. This will likely depend on the workload each individual site requires and the level of expertise of different sections. For example, a medical website may have a content manager each for its oncology section and cardiology section, just to name a couple. This web content provides the value for advertisers and other users attracted to the site, which helps support the manager's salary.